everyone, and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I would like to say Happy National I Love Yarn Day. I'm so excited to bring to you this yarn that I bought from Bag O' Day Crochet. I had to get some of her yarn. She is an amazing yarn dyer, and she has some wonderful hanks that she's been putting out in her Etsy shop, and also cakes. She has those big, huge cakes. Some of them are over 900 yards. Y'all got to go and check them out. I have to go back over there and order some more, but I sliced this open so we could talk about this yarn and celebrate I Love Yarn Day and drool over this. So let's go ahead and open this up. Woo-hoo, I'm excited. I'm excited. Struggling a bit. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. This is pretty. Oh my God. Y'all. I know, Crystal, you didn't do it. You did it to me. Oh. Whew, I got to catch my breath. I really, really got to catch my breath. This got to me very, very quickly. Packaging is on point as always, and it says thank you for supporting my small business. But oh my goodness, she said thank you for being a superstar customer. I gotta keep the sticker. I can't contain myself. Oh my God. I know you all are saying, open the yard, but oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh. Whew. Okay. Woo, this flaring up my anxiety. I said, oh my God. Oh my goodness. But anywho, this is what I ordered. When I saw this in her store, I said, oh no, this is mine. Mine. My mind went a mile a minute looking at this yummy yarn. Beautiful sticker, holographic sticker. Ooh, I'm loving that. Ooh. Crinkle, crinkle. Ooh. These are divine. These are divine. Oh, they're soft. Ooh. Like Crystal says, they're scarfable. Oh my God, this is scarfable. Oh, yes. Ooh. I know. Drool. And I just love her labels. Look at her labels. So beautiful. Bag O' Day hand-dyed yarns. I love that. Dyed at home peacefully. Oh, and look at that Hank just resting in bed. I'm loving it. Look at these beautiful colors. We have the orange, lime green, a bright yellow. Look at this nice, rich pink color. Oh my goodness. And this looks like the purple. Y'all see that? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Let me give y'all the specs. This is called Neon Black Light, and it's 100% superwash merino. It's 43 yards, 20 grams per hank. It's a medium weight 4. Recommended crochet hook size is a 5 millimeter all the way up to the J, which is a 6 millimeter hook. Let me know in the comments, what will you make with this? What will you make with these? For the second half of what was in here, which is a total surprise to me, is this yarn that I'm about to show you all. You took my breath away, Crystal. Oh my goodness. I wanted this yarn. Okay. I'm going to put a link in the description box when she introduced this particular yarn. This right here is a free gift. Make me want to do a dance. I'm like, I kept looking for this yarn and I was just like, Crystal, where is it? Where is it? I said, thanks for being a superstar customer. You're welcome. And thank you. I'm going back to your shop, by the way, to get some more yarn, because I don't know if I put this particular yarn in the cart, and I'm not telling y'all what yarn it was because y'all might go over there and grab it up and it'll be gone. But let me go ahead and open this right here. Okay, I got this open. This is breathtaking. Oh, this is navy full dress blues. Ooh. Yay. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. It says gold sparkle. So this right here is 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% gold, stellina. And this is a DK 3 weight. So it's 231 yards, 100 grams. And the recommended crochet hook size is a 4.25 millimeter up to the eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter. And this, oh my God, it feels so good. It has a lovely feel to it. Oh, I wanted this yarn that Crystal hand dyed, was inspired by her grandfather and also her nephew that is now serving. And also to the people that have served that she knows, which would be me, right? I served. And I'm just honored to get these. Thank you so much, Crystal. This warms my heart. And I was almost at a loss for words when I saw it. It's so beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person. Look at that sparkle. Look at that shine. It has kind of a blue black combination in there. And I love it. Navy full dress. I have to make something special with this. I thought a nice shawl would be great. Or something. Let me know in the chat. What should I make with this? 231 yards for each one. So that's 462 yards. What should I make with this? DK weight. But I was thinking maybe one of her shawls or something like that. Could make a small shawl. Or I can do a hat and scarf set. Oh, let me know. Flood the comments with this. But thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate this. I really, really do. Thank you. This warmed my heart. I wanted this yarn so badly. And I kept looking and looking in the shop, and I said, well, did I miss it? Or, you know, did it sell out as soon as you put it in there, or did you not get to it? I wasn't sure because with my busy schedule and everything, I just didn't know. And I was just like, oh, I gotta have the navy full dress. And thank you so much. I know I probably said it a million times for this yarn. You go and check out my friend Crystal, Bag O' Day Crochet. Check out her Etsy shop. I will put her Etsy shop link in my description box down below. She has always done a fantastic job, an excellent job with dyeing yarn. This was your calling, girl. One of your callings, that is. And that is to hand dye yarn. Now, you will be busy, which I know you have been busy, but you're going to be busier because you're so good. You're that good. So my hat's off to you, Crystal, for all you do. Y'all check out Nerdy Crocheter. That is her second channel. So if you're not subscribed or you haven't joined her family, go to Bag O' Day Crochet and also go to Nerdy Crocheter. I will put the links in the description box down below. Please go ahead and show Crystal some love while she's dyeing and making these beautiful hanks. Go ahead and run her playlist. Check out her content. Look for a video that you haven't watched yet and show her some support and some love and how much you all love her. And if you're coming from my channel and you haven't subscribed and turned the bell to all so you won't miss a notification for her channels, tell her OlaJoe sent you. Thank you, Crystal, from the bottom of my heart. I love you, my friend, and keep up the magnificent work. I am very, very proud of you. And I just can't wait to create some fabulous garments or pieces with this fantastic yarn. I will be buying more. And oh, it feels heavenly and divine. Like I said, this yarn is scarfable. If this is your first time watching me, go ahead and subscribe, turn the bell on, turn it to all. Like I said, same for Crystal, no different. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up, like the video. And if you haven't already, push the button that says subscribe to OlaJoe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.